I'm inventor Dan Zen. And from a meta level,
the coat.
Videos of discussions and ideas are tricky. As you go, you like the ideas, I want to get them to the public, and that should be my goal.
As decor.
And then I'm just not sure of how I've said things, or what's in there, or if anybody would be interested. I am sure that people should be interested.
As decor.
There's no doubt about that. It's just there's something that, and it's not holding me back from a freedom of information sense, because I do want the world to partake and know and think and be involved in the aspects that surround something like Nodism.
As decor.
I do want you to be involved, but I'm not sure if the videos that I created either explain well or will upset people, or are too different for how people will see me. I wonder how much of it is that. I wonder how much of anybody's thoughts are that. It's always tricky.
As decor.
I think the one thing that I can try and do is maintain an element, or practice an element of empathy, or discussing empathy.
The cloth.
And that's almost a meta level. You come out of it, and then you talk about it. And that way you've got a bit of a freedom editorially,
as decor.
If people see these more at some point, of referring to what you've just talked about and clarifying it, and providing clarifications.
As decor.
And these are all being explored, these aspects. Anything I talk about now, I can recognize aspects of Nodism involved and meta levels. So I know that it's a powerful and interesting philosophy. It just has a name. I didn't mean to give it a name. Maybe I shouldn't have a name. From a marketing standpoint, one would presume it would have to be your name, your no name or something. Or even the concept of a brand now being called no name. The spirits, souls, thoughts and randomness and chaos and energy concepts are very interesting. Yes, let's explore those by exploring. I've been exploring them. What isn't it? Can I just take this series? So as we head start to finish and trying to figure out what isn't. Normally I would want to take smaller bits of videos so people will probably watch them. And this brings us to aspects of Nodism to Snyder. My little head shake. So I would like to introduce meta levels to this camera talk. It really is about everything. People that listen to it, they might not even get to the meta level. That means every aspect. If I introduced early enough, I probably would have text, for instance. I introduced early enough that there would be these meta levels of exploration with XML and then join a program. They would be able to wait for it and the way the story of how the previous episode, in a sense, was told, or computers can read it, humans can read it, new idea that it is all hierarchies now and described in object in terms of potential and kinetic energy, which is the way that we model games. I'm inventor Dan Zen, and I just thought of an idea. It's an extension, really, of Zen Mix. Zen Mix is a way to mix interactive.
As we zoomed, the sound got louder, and as we zoomed out, DJ quieter.
IJ, interactive.
These types of things would be kind of neat too. What
for cross-server
the event of our Zoom, here I zoom,
sharing permissions and so
broadcast. It's picked up by other applications that can then use that Zoom to adjust their sound levels, or to even trigger some other interactive work to come on to the screen.
So ZenPan would be there, and you'd have the controls to operate ZenPan, and you would mix it over top of ZenPicture. And ZenPicture is pictures that are floating by. You can take in ZenPicture, you can also put interactive works inside of ZenPicture and have floating by interactive works.
And that's Apartica on top of
In the
a video.
background now is a sound mixing in with Zen
That
picture.
Apartica is
Zen
actually
picture
Apartica.
is passing pictures.
Now this is
by
Zen
the viewer,
Mix.
either
It's
horizontally or
Psychedelic
vertically.
Dancing as Exercise. It's
Those
a video
pictures can be
on top
interactive
of
works,
a
such as Apartica and
Apartica.
So as this is
And I
sliding
can
by,
pause the video,
what that is
and
Apartica.
Apartica still moves in the background.
So if
that
you're reaching for
is
interface in
Apartica. It is the tool.
and
Let's
the
see the
location
tool
of
now.
your mouse
Here's
on the
Apartica.
outside is causing your interactive work to move. Do we want to provide settings?
This
that
is
we
an
could,
animation in a sense.
turn on,
toggle,
turn
a
off.
visual that will keep
That
playing and
perhaps
change.
disable when
There it
movement
goes to a
comes in
different
the
one.
picture.
Now somebody made that.
So
That's somebody
you would
actually
set up
being
a
me.
setting
But you can
that
make
would
your own.
request any movement disabled with the mouse. Wow.
Adding another little bit of a weird interface where you have to kind of think about how you use
And
this
then
add, update, and delete.
when you-
But it's very flexible and allows you to make many of these things
is finished,
and
another
spin them
interactive piece,
how you want.
the original
So this
one
is interactive work. And what you saw
takes over
on
control
Zen Mix
on mouse
was
location.
actually this, Apartica. So I'd like
Maybe
to show you
click
how I'm
mouse
mixing
motion is a different thing.
an interactive work inside of another interactive work.
So all these different
So here I am in Zen Mix, and I'm just going to take a look at whichever one that was. It's 12, I think. Okay. So I'm just going to hit
Music would
edit
not be
12,
playing
and
at the
now
speed that you
12
hear it
comes
now
up, and I've already made this.
because in Zen Picture,
This is Zen Mix, and it's got a video of somebody dancing here. I can show you that. And there's a video of somebody dancing. I'm just going to pause it,
single picture,
and that video of somebody dancing is going over. I'll move the video out of the way.
So through
the video of
working
somebody
in the
dancing is going over top of this, and what that is Apartica.
Overall,
You see there where it says your turn?
we're mixing
Now
works
I'm
that
actually
come from
using
interactive works,
Apartica
but
to
we're
put
also
shapes
mixing beyond
and
that.
spin.
We're
We'll
giving
have interactive story tools relate through interactive works.
They can then
Hunts
start playing with that interactive
journeys
work
and
at your own.
travels, even your own journey, and you navigate that journey through these interactive
with
works.
whatever
These interactive works will be on the wall.
And that's mixing
They're going to be
interactive
everywhere.
works.